Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I got another package from Subispeed. I decided to order to finally match the side skirts, and soon I will get the front lip, but for now I got the rear lips, what it's called, the rear splats. So I'm gonna install those, but let me just show you how they look right now. The first time I've seen them, so yeah. Ooh. Boxes are nice. Oh, sorry guys. Alright, so it comes with washers and screws and bolts. So that's pretty cool. That just means I want to have to drill onto the rear splats that I have currently on the car. So these are the carbon fiber ones from Subispeed. I think they're the OLM ones. Or, I mean, you could get them anywhere. They sell these probably on eBay, different brand name. They sell them on Subispeed. Ooh, I gotta say, it's a nice piece. So yeah, whether there is, guys. These are the OLM carbon fiber, the rear splats. So let me show you where they're gonna go. I'm guessing two bolts, one right here. I don't know if I'm gonna get to this one and this one. So it's gonna go on here like this. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice. I have the JDM one, the rear JDM splash guard thing, whatever it's called. Sticks out a little bit more right here, so this should fit pretty good. Other than that, that's about it. Just wanted to add more carbon fiber to the car. Oh, I also got I didn't, off camera, I finally ordered my my new fog lights bezels. I had to order new ones because the ones that I had, the wire harness, broke. Got ripped off. So I got the new harness, and yeah, so this time I securely tied it right here and the other one on the other side, and I ran it on top here this time so it doesn't fall out and get messed up again. So I got some extra fog light covers now, which is fine. Once these start fading away or cracking or whatever, I'll just replace them with the new ones. So I got extras, so it's all good. And then I also got, and I don't know if you noticed, but the lights inside the car are not as bright. But I got these from Subispeed also, and they're really, really bright. So if you're tired of not being able to see, I suggest you pick some of those up. They're called OLM blacklist or something like that. Dome lights, and they're freaking bright, like super bright. Well, yeah, let me just install these, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So let me show you how it looks once I put them on the car, and yeah, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's the finished product. This is how it looks on the car. I like how it sticks out this much out of the bumper. Flushes everything out. See, because I got the OLM carbon fiber lip, side skirt. The wing sticking out there. And now this. Yeah, it definitely looks good. So it did come with bolts, nuts and bolts and washers, which is good because it's held on pretty tight. It's not going nowhere. It's only held by 2 bolts. I couldn't get the one that's under here, or else I would have to cut this carbon fiber right here to get to it, because it's a whole way back there. But I did get this one nice and tight, and this one right here nice and tight. So those 2 are held on pretty nice. It's not going anywhere. I don't know, maybe I'll add, I don't know, because if I have to take this off, this is already held by double-sided tape, and I don't want to do that to both sides. So as long as it's not getting pulled like how I'm doing it right now, forcing it, I think it'll be pretty good. Yeah, it's not going nowhere. So yeah, looks really nice. I like the look. So all I gotta do is the other side, and that's about it. So yeah, just a little product for you guys. These are pretty cheap. Anybody looking for carbon fiber, Subispeed has them, eBay might have them. Yeah, looks good. Let me finish the other side, and that's about it, guys. So till the next video, I'll see you guys. Peace out.